Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Sophie. I'm super excited to be back with another makeup tutorial for you guys today. I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this really pretty sunset cut crease eye look. So if you guys want to see how I achieved it, then just go ahead and keep on watching. And also if you guys want to be entered for our monthly giveaway, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed, turn your post notifications on, and then comment done down below if you live in the US because our giveaway is US only. So first thing I'm doing is priming my eyelids. I'm using this concealer and I like to set it with some translucent powder afterwards. For today's palette, I'm using this Kaleidos palette. I'll leave the name of the palette down below, but I've been loving these Kaleidos eyeshadow palettes. They sent me 4 or 5 of them and I absolutely love them. So first I'm going into this yellow shade with a fluffy crease brush, and I'm just going to be focusing this shade in the front half of my crease. So I kind of want it to be yellow transitioning into orange to the outer crease. So I'm just kind of focusing this right smack in the middle of that inner half of my crease. And whatever's left over on the brush, I'm just kind of dragging that outward because I want this yellow to transition to the orange that we're going to be applying. So we're going to be applying this orange right here. It's super bright and vibrant. So I really tapped off the excess powder and I'm just slowly starting to build color and just kind of diffusing that into the yellow. And we are winging out that outer corner, so just kind of flick out that outer corner as if you're doing a wing. Just do that kind of motion. And then we're going to be adding some more definition in the next step. So for this step, I grabbed an angled brush, and for the inner half of my crease, I used the orange, and for the outer half, I used the red, and just kind of blended those two into each other. And just once again, winging out that outer corner because we are doing a cat eye shape for this look. And honestly, this was just more of an artistic look. It's not really necessarily a wearable look. You can definitely wear it if you'd like to, but for me, this was just me wanting to be artistic. So I'm going into my fluffy tapered brush and some more of that orange shade and just kind of diffusing that line. And this is really good because it helps us keep control over that shadow. But at the same time, it does a nice job of blending it. And then I felt like we lost some of that yellow, so I just went back into that big fluffy brush and just brought some of that yellow back with this brush. Next, I'm going into this angled brush by Anastasia Beverly Hills and some of my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Contouring Concealer. And I'm just carving my lid and also carving my crease. And also using it to set the lid. And then afterwards going into this small flat brush and just setting everything in place with translucent powder so that nothing transfers or budges. And that we have a nice clean surface for all the shades that we apply over top of this. I feel like sometimes when you apply that much concealer to the lid and you don't set it, your shadow will mix with the concealer and it won't come out as vibrant. Let me know if that happens to you guys, but it definitely happens to me. So I decided to go into the gold copper shade in the palette, and this shade is absolutely stunning. I was not sure how it was going to work, but it's just beautiful and these palettes do not disappoint. It's a super low-key brand. I've never heard of Kaleidos makeup. Comment down below if you guys have heard of them. Next I went into the metallic pink shade and I just thought that I would blend that into the copper shade, and I think that those two colors blended together really nicely and it just kind of gave some more dimension to the look. And then next I went into my Eye Candy Cosmetics Hocus Pocus glitter with some glitter glue. First I went into the crease and then I just applied the glitter over top. And then I went back into the red eyeshadow and I'm just kind of dabbing that as a liner. And then I'm going to be blending it out with a bigger, fluffier brush, but it's still smaller to maintain that control. So just kind of dragging inward with that brush, and that way we don't really mess up the shades that we applied on the lid, and we're just kind of diffusing that line in that very specific area. And then I'm just peeling off my tape. For lashes, I'm applying my Shop Sophie Bella Bahama lashes. The link to check out our lashes will always be in the description box down below. And then for my waterline, I just grabbed my Double Life eyeliner by Urban Decay, my absolute favorite. And then going into the orange shade with this smudger brush, just smudging that onto the lower lash line. And I felt like we had enough drama on the lid, so I wanted to keep it super basic on the bottom. So I just applied some Mad Lash mascara by The Balm. And the last step for this look, I just picked up my Pop Beauty Gilded Light highlighter and I just popped that onto my inner corner. And this is the finished look. If you like this video, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. And if you watch this video to the very end, thank you so much for all of your constant support. It really allows us to upload content daily to this channel, and it allows us to do what we love. So thank you so much for all of your continuous support. And yeah, we're maintaining our daily uploads. We're going to bring that all the way into the new year. So make sure to check back on our channel every single day for a new video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!